My name is Marcy Ribetti. My home is at Cape Cod from the 1940s, and I live in Arlington Ridge. When we bought the house was in very good condition, but the front was built in the 1940s and never ever changed. So the stairs were completely irregular. One was very short, the other one was very tall. It was a danger to come up to our house, and there are many stairs to get up there, so we had to do something about it. So my landscape designer was Sarah Williams. I really liked her a lot. When I first met her, she was very young. My project was one of her first ones, and but we clicked right away, and she was able to really understand what I wanted and was able to give me feedback and tell me why certain things that I wanted in my landscape project would not work well. And also she was very willing to listen to what I had to say, and we just kind of worked really well together. There was a lot of give and take. It took about 6 weeks to complete. It was a very big project, my front project. That is my front yard. I am just so enthusiastic. When I drive up to my house every day, I'm so proud I live where I live, and everybody compliments me on my front yard, which is which is the one that's most visible. It's gorgeous. It's lovely. I just love to live there. I want to live there. I want to live in my house as long as possible. I keep on tweaking the landscape, putting in new flowers. Maybe I've changed a few trees, and I keep on adding. I have developed this kind of obsession with flowers since the landscape project, so I keep on integrating new things, and it's just very fun. I recommended Campbell and Ferrara already to probably 5 or 6 of my neighbors, and they all went with Campbell and Ferrara because they've seen the results. My yard is fabulous. And what would I say? Go with Campbell and Ferrara because they can work with you, and they work really well.